How to use Instagram and TikTok to make money in 2020. What up guys, Ben Oberg here, back with another video. Been a minute since I talked about Instagram, bringing TikTok into play here as well, and gonna talk to you guys about how to make money on Instagram and TikTok in 2020 and the number one way. And what's really important about this is, obviously we see what's going on right now, okay? People are freaking out, businesses are closed down, brick and mortars are decimated, we're going into a recession, a lot of things are happening, the unemployment rate is higher than that of the Great Depression. So now is the time to secure your assets, to increase your cash flow, to conserve the cash that you currently have, and really and truly, if you haven't already created a sustainable way to make money online using social media, using the best platforms like Instagram, like TikTok, then if you're not going to take it seriously now, then gosh, I don't know what it's going to take for you to start taking action. So in this video, I'm going to break down the number one business that you want to be doing, participating in 2020, that's sure, guaranteed, predictable, extremely profitable, and it uses social media platforms that we already know, like, and trust, such as Instagram and TikTok. So let's get straight into it and break it all down in this video. All right, guys, so update. I started using TikTok about three and a half weeks ago. I didn't take it seriously for the first, I would say, week. And I also didn't really understand how to produce content for that platform. In the last 2 weeks, I've grown 9,000 followers on TikTok. I've made over $6,000 with it, and I've done it using the business model that I'm gonna be breaking down in this video. Instagram has also increased for me because I've been getting leads, I've been getting sales on Instagram. And as a matter of fact, I've even gotten people from TikTok clicking my social links in my bio on TikTok, coming over, following me on Instagram, and then messaging me and asking how they can do business with me. So what the heck is it that I'm talking about? It's not e-commerce, it's not affiliate marketing, it's not drop shipping, it's not MLMs, it's not a social media marketing agency. It is, wait for it, a digital profit agency. What the heck is a digital profit agency? Well, a lot of people think of social media marketing agencies when they think of online agencies. Social media marketing agencies strictly rely on social content, organic reach to drive traffic and help people get leads and sales for whatever their business is. We're using TikTok, we're using Instagram to actually not just organically drive leads and sales to our business and our clients' businesses, but we're also using the ad platforms that Instagram allows us to use and TikTok allows us to use to find targeted viewers, targeted video viewers, targeted prospects, and turn them into leads and sales. Now, here's the secret to this. With what's going on right now, so many advertisers have left the space. So this is kind of how advertising works in a nutshell. Let's say I'm selling this pen, okay? And no, I'm not making a Wolf of Wall Street reference.
Sell me this pen.
Well, let's say I'm selling this pen. Normally, when you go to advertise on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, whatever the case may be, you would have, let's say, 100 advertisers all trying to sell a pen to people that TikTok knows are interested in pens. If there were 100 advertisers last month or 6 weeks ago, before the coronavirus breakout really happened or became that big of a deal, there's now you and maybe one other person. So all of a sudden, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, all the social platforms have no choice but to give you that business, and you have no competition. Therefore, you're not competing with other people and their ad spend or their ads or that space. So now your advertising costs are way cheaper. And here's the thing. Everybody's stuck at home now. Everybody's in quarantine. So what are people doing? They're buying products and services. They're buying goods and services online. So what happens is digital profit agencies not only do well during recessions, but they're actually the online business that thrives during a recession. And most businesses that are major whales in infrastructure today started in a recession. General Electric started in a recession. Microsoft started in a recession. Netflix, Uber, and Facebook all started in recessions. So you starting a digital profit agency now is the most lethal, successful, guaranteed, predictable, and profitable online business that you could try to start right now. You're not relying on a few little shout outs making money on Instagram. You're not relying on a TikTok post going viral. You're using these platforms where the people are, where they're sitting at home on their phones, sitting there, just waiting, all right? And you're actually creating an agency which helps other entrepreneurs and business owners that are trying to get leads, that are trying to make sales. You're actually helping them stay in business. Let me give you an example. Here is a TikTok video that I posted, and all I did, this is what I did, and I made $6,000 with this, okay? Smash the like button on this video if you're loving what I'm throwing down so far. Really appreciate you guys, and those of you that are subscribed to my channel, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for choosing to have this channel be the choice for you to learn as an entrepreneur how to grow those 8-figure skills. I just left my house a little bit ago because the internet actually crashed, so I'm doing my business calls in the truck here. It's been awesome. We did a $2.3 million year last year with our digital profit agency. This year we're pacing 8 figures. I'm going for 20 million. Do I think we're gonna hit it? If I'm being honest, I think we're gonna land somewhere between 14 and 17 million. But we're doing, and no complaints, right? I'm gonna go for 20. I hope I hit it. I'm doing everything I can to hit it. No complaints. But digital profit agency is how we're doing it. And we're leveraging TikTok, we're leveraging Instagram. So how, might you ask? Here's how. So when I'm posting on TikTok, when I'm posting on Instagram, I'm just providing value, such as this video right here. This video was a 1-minute video. I literally just got my phone, was walking out of the store, and I started talking about a recession. And if you're not ready for a recession, you've never been through one, you don't know how to increase cash flow, you're worried about your job, you're getting laid off, it's happening. Nothing I'm throwing down here is speculative. Nothing is an opinion. It is happening. It's factual. It ain't up for debate. Okay? Saying if you want to learn how to protect yourself more, shoot me a DM, message me. Hundreds of people DM'd me and said, hey, how do I protect myself during a recession? Here's somebody asking me right here. And I'm just starting conversations with them. A lot of thirsty people saying, hey, I want to learn from you. What can I do? And so I start talking to them. Look, digital profit agency, this is what we're doing. This is what I'm training people, because I want people not to have get rich quick. I want them to have a sustainable, profitable business that they understand with low overhead costs, where they have complete predictability in the cash flow. And so that's what we did. Started teaching that, and left and right. I had students signing up saying, hey, I want to learn from you. All right, how much does it cost? I'm telling them, hey, how can I work with you? How can I receive mentorship? Hey, I have a business and I need help with more leads and sales. What would it cost to do business with you? So what I'm saying for you to do in a nutshell is simply take the concepts that I'm talking about right here and implement them yourself. Start creating your own digital profit agency. If you want tips and tricks and you want to learn how, click the link in the description below. I provided some information in a class that you can attend to teach you the exact business model, the blueprint, the service that you'd be offering, what that looks like, how to get your first 3 clients, how to make your first $100,000 in a year with your own digital profit agency, leveraging Instagram, being able to make money with Instagram, being able to make money with TikTok, okay? These are great ways to be able to have a digital profit agency and use this social media where people are stuck at home wanting to do this, wanting more leads, wanting more sales. Think about it. All of these brick and mortar businesses or all of these online businesses, all of them are at home right now. All of them are stuck at home. All of them are online, just searching. So if you can simply be the one that possesses the skill to now help them during such times, when they need more help than ever, help them get more leads, help them get more sales. This is going to allow you to have a sustainable business that thrives. You're starting it in the best time, at the best opportunity possible that you've ever seen, that you've ever had during your lifetime. In an epidemic, in a pandemic. In no time like the opportunity that has presented itself now. So click the link in my description, start learning how you can put together your own digital profit agency. And all you're gonna learn is how to go get clients that desperately already are already looking for your services. And we're gonna teach you how to be able to help them get leads, help them get sales for whatever business they're in. And you're gonna be able to get paid to do that. Your clients are gonna pay you at least $5,000 up front. So when you have 3 clients, you make 15 grand up front. And they're gonna pay you $2,000 to $3,000 per month. So look at that. Just take the average of that. That's $2,500 a client. That's $7,500 a month. So you get 15 grand up front, $7,500 a month. What is that? That's $90,000, I think, in a year. It's $105,000 on just 3 clients. You don't stop there. We're going to teach you how to scale as well. So, hey, if you're brand new to the channel, make sure you tap that notification bell and subscribe so you can get in more information, so you can learn the 8-figure entrepreneurship just like this. $1 million is not enough. 6 figures is not enough. You need to scale, and you need the results. You need the tools. You need the resources to be able to do that. I'm your guy. Click the link in the description. I hope to see you on my web class. Appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.